And now we're going to look at the tools Fillet and Chamfer. Fillet and Chamfer are the same tools as we have in the sketch, but now we're going to create Fillet and Chamfer in the 3D space. So let's go to the Features tab, and here we have Fillet, and if we click here on the Chamfer, then here we have a Fillet and Chamfer. So first let's go with Fillet. Here we have few fillet types. We have constant fillet size, we have variable fillet size, face fillet, and we have full round fillet. Mostly we use here constant size fillet. Here we have to choose edges, faces or features that we wanna fillet. Here we have radius, and here we can choose we wanna have symmetric or asymmetric radius. And now for example, we wanna create a fillet on this edge here. We can just simply click on this edge. We can see the preview, and here we can change the radius. For example, we wanna go with 5 millimeters, and we can click OK. And now we got this result. We can go and we can create another fillet. Let's go to fillet. And now for example, we can choose multiple edges. For example, one edge, second, third, and fourth here. We can change radius, for example, to 10, and we can click OK. Like this. Now let's go to the Fillet 2, Edit Feature, and let's clear these selections. So now instead of selecting 4 edges, we can just simply select this face and click OK. And we're gonna get the same result. We can also create a fillet around circular edges. So we can go to Fillet, and we can just choose this edge here, like this, and click OK. So this is the result. As well, if we have some hole, we can go with Fillet, and we can create a fillet inside of this hole. We can choose an edge, we can click OK. Or we can go with a fillet, and here we can choose, for example, this face. Like this, and click OK. We can choose this face, and click OK. And now we got an error because the radius of the fillet is too large. So let's exit. Let's change radius to 5, like this. And now we can see what is all selected. So by selecting this face, we selected those 2 edges as well. That was automatically, because here we have tangent propagation. We can uncheck this, and now we don't have this edge here. If we uncheck tangent propagation, like this. Now let's click OK. And now we got this result. So now as you see here, and here we have a fillet. We could also get this fillet when we were creating a sketch. So if we go to Boss Extrude 1, we go to Edit Sketch, we can create a fillet here. Let's go here with fillet, and let's create a fillet here and here. Let's click OK. And now let's exit sketch. And now you can see that here we have a fillet. So sometimes you can create a fillet on the sketch, sometimes you can create later when you have a solid body. As well, the same thing is with the chamfer. We can click here and we can go with chamfer. And now here we have to choose edges, faces, or vertex. For example, we can choose this edge here, like this. And here we have few types. We can go with angle distance and distance distance. So here we have distance 10 millimeters and angle 45 millimeters. We can go with distance distance, and then we have to define distance 1 and distance 2. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. Now let's go to the Chamfer 1, Edit Feature. And now instead of distance distance, let's go with angle distance, like this. And let's go here with 30 degrees, like this. And let's click OK. And now we got this result. And now for example, here we can apply fillet. So we can go to fillet. We can click here, and here we can see the preview, and click OK. And this is our result. As well, we can apply fillet here on this edge. So let's go to fillet, choose this edge. We can increase the radius. It's too much. Let's go to 25 and click OK. And now we got this result here by only using fillet and chamfer. So using fillet and chamfer is really easy. Sometimes it's convenient to use in the sketch, and sometimes it's more convenient to use when you have a solid body.